Have you ever wondered if you can file a claim for fire damage? The answer is yes. Most people don't understand that fire is not just things that have caught on fire, it's any smoke that goes throughout your house. I'll give you an example. You decided to make bacon, one of my favorite foods, and in the process you left it on the stove and it burnt. And now it's smoked up the entire house. Well, smoke is acidic, so smoke will affect the paint on your walls, smoke will affect your electronics, smoke will definitely affect your clothes. You don't want dogs chasing down the street because you smell like bacon for the rest of your life. All of these contents and everything that has been touched and damaged needs to be accounted for and put in a way that the insurance company understands so that they can pay you what you deserve to get you back to where you were before this fire. Now, if you have any questions about the things that are covered or how they're covered, by all means, give us a call at the number below or drop us an email and we'll be happy to help you.